Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivey, and this is Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series that we're bringing you about safety products and how to use them. This week's question is from Scott in Kentucky, and he wants to know, when should a D-ring extender be taken out of service?
So a D-ring extender is going to be taken out of service if a fall occurs on it, or if it doesn't pass a pre-use or annual competent person inspection. It's very important that you inspect this D-ring extender as an independent piece of fall protection. You don't want to just inspect the full body harness and just kind of toss it in the middle of it. You want to inspect each D-ring extender individually.
As an individual piece of your fall protection kit, a D-ring extender does certain things and doesn't do certain things. We also want to know about an expiration. So a D-ring extender, does it have a separate expiration from the harness?
So the harnesses and D-ring extenders are not going to include a expiration date typically, and that's going to be put forth by the manufacturer. Here at Malta Dynamics, we do not put an expiration date on our products. As long as they pass a pre-use inspection as well as an annual competent person inspection, it's good to keep them in the field.
It's always important with any piece of fall protection that you look, read, and understand the manual and know what it should be used for and what it should not be used for. And D-ring extenders are great and can have a long lifespan.